I can 100% say with confidence, I have never seen this in my life up until right now. What is this? But I gotta put it in 2 because only 2 and 1's left.
Before going to the last, subscribe to not miss any top.
You know what? I'm cool for Milky Way. No, I'm not. Chat, what's better, a Snickers bar or a Milky Way? Yo, Young Boy Willie with 10,000 bits. Give me some W's for Young Boy Willie. Case important questions. How have you never had lobster? Because every time we used to go to the store and we saw the price on lobster, we was like, nah, I'm good. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah.